The Eucerin Anti-Pigment Dual Serum is a powerful solution for anyone looking to reduce dark spots and achieve a more even skin tone. In this video, we'll be sharing how to use this dual serum properly, take a deeper dive into its key ingredients, and discuss some important do's and don'ts. The Anti-Pigment Dual Serum is a highly effective product that combines active ingredients to address hyperpigmentation and improve overall skin radiance. This serum is designed to reduce dark spots and prevent their reappearance while giving your skin a smoother and more even complexion. It's suitable for all skin types and can be integrated into your daily skincare routine. There are 3 key ingredients in the Anti-Pigment Dual Serum. The first key ingredient is thiamidol, which is a patented ingredient developed by Eucerin over 10 years. It targets the root cause of hyperpigmentation by reducing melanin production. Melanin is the pigment responsible for dark spots and uneven skin tone. Thiamidol has been clinically proven to reduce dark spots and prevent their reappearance, delivering visible results within just 2 weeks of regular use. Next, we have hyaluronic acid, which is a naturally occurring substance in the skin that plays a crucial role in maintaining hydration. It can bind between 1,000 and 10,000 times its own weight in water, making it incredibly effective at attracting and retaining moisture. As we age, the skin's ability to produce hyaluronic acid decreases, leading to dryness and the formation of wrinkles. By incorporating hyaluronic acid into this serum, it ensures your skin stays hydrated, plump, and smooth. And finally, licochalcone A, which is derived from the root of the Chinese licorice plant, Glycyrrhiza inflata. Licochalcone A is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory ingredient. It works to reduce inflammation and neutralize free radicals, which can exacerbate hyperpigmentation and accelerate skin aging. Additionally, it protects the deeper layers of the epidermis from sun-induced damage, making it an essential ingredient in fighting dark spots and maintaining healthy skin. These ingredients work synergistically to not only reduce the appearance of dark spots, but also to prevent their reappearance, keep the skin hydrated, and protect it from environmental stresses. Here's how to use the Eucerin Anti-Pigment Dual Serum in your skincare routine. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. Apply your toner, which is optional but helps to prepare the skin for better absorption. Apply the serum evenly to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Gently massage it into the skin using upward circular motions. After applying the serum, follow with your regular moisturizer to lock in hydration. If used in the morning, always follow with sunscreen to protect your skin from UV damage. Use the serum consistently in the morning and evening for best results. Be patient, as reducing dark spots can take time, and consistent use is key. Here are some important do's and don'ts to keep in mind when using this serum. Firstly, do use it twice daily in your morning and evening skincare routines for best results. Do apply sunscreen daily when using this serum, as it can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Do apply to clean, dry skin to ensure the serum absorbs effectively. When it comes to the don'ts, don't use too much product at once. A pump or 2 is sufficient to cover your face and neck. Don't skip sunscreen when using the serum in the morning, as this will help prevent new dark spots from forming. The Eucerin Anti-Pigment Dual Serum is an excellent addition to your skincare routine, offering numerous benefits for reducing dark spots and improving skin tone. By incorporating it into your daily routine and following the proper do's and don'ts, you can achieve a more even, radiant complexion. If you want to learn more about how to tackle dark spots and achieve brighter skin, check out these 2 videos here next.